Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you an idea that I have. I am working on that gigantic dollhouse, and in the foyer at the entrance I want to make a small area for books, and what I'm going to use for my books is what you see here in front of me. So this is a magazine. This is the back of a magazine, and look at how perfect it is. And of course these books or these pictures of books are large, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting them. So one line alone will give me maybe four books just out of one line. So imagine if I cut all across, how many books would I have? A lot of realistic looking books just from this back of the magazine. And this is the barcode. Now this magazine was a swap. I participated in a yard sale with my hubby's aunt, and I was helping her, and I was also selling stuff of mine, and we swapped some items. So I got this for free. At some point out there, this must have been 1995 in Canada, $29.95, and it must have ended somewhere else, I think at the Christmas tree shop for $1.99. Then my husband's aunt had it for $1, and I ended up getting it for free. So this is a beautiful thing to have, a magazine. Now this is by Elizabeth Hillard, and it's called Homes and Gardens right there. It has a lot of beautiful pictures inside and ideas and all that. And what I do is, if I select a picture that I like, something that will help me in one of my creations, I cut it out from here. But this with the books, this is amazing. This is what caught my attention about this magazine. Look at that. Once I start cutting, I'm going to have a load of books for my idea. If I want to make a library, I'll have all these books. And it even has a picture frame there. Look at that. I might use it too. So this is really, really great for my creation in that dollhouse. So stay tuned because you will see this again. And thank you for watching.